What's up you guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I'm going to show you something different. It's about how to convert your NEF files into DNG files so that it can be accessed with Photoshop PS5 or older versions of Photoshop. The main problem arrives when people have modern cameras and take raw files, raw pictures in raw format, and then they try to load it in Photoshop, and then they get stuck because Photoshop cannot read the NEF format. For example, I have my Nikon D5600 and it shoots raw, 14-bit raw, and when I try to edit the pictures from using Photoshop PS5, the error shows up that it cannot be supported. So there's a way around it. You can download the plugins, yes. Also you can update your Photoshop or get a newer version, but in this video I'm focusing specifically on getting without using software you can edit your raw files on Photoshop. So let's get started. So all you need to do is go to Chrome and enter onlineconverter.com. I'll give the link in the description. You can check that out from there. So once it's loaded, we have different options here, but we are focusing on image converter here. So convert to DNG. Okay, so it will take you to the next page. So here you can choose different, if you have different cameras as well like Sony or Canon, you can convert using this software here. So I'm going to use here NEF to DNG right here, and the source I'll upload file. You can also upload from a different URL, but I'm gonna upload from a file. And now I'm just gonna select some random file here. As you see, this is from my Nikon D5600 and everything is raw here in NEF. So just click on open, and then once you see the name of the file here, you can click on convert and it will start uploading. So upload depends on the size, file size. If you can see here, mine is 29 megabytes, and also your internet speed. So it will upload all the files and then it will take you to the next step. So we need to wait. So we have almost done uploading the picture. So once it shows it's complete, then it will automatically take you to the next stage where it's being converted by itself. And when the conversion is complete, you'll get a message called conversion completed. Now all you need to do is download your file into your PC, and then you can work on it using Photoshop. So I'm just gonna go for download here, if you can see, and we have to wait again. Picture is downloaded here, so you can find it in the folder where your normal downloads is. I'll just open the folder and show you where you can find it. Here you can see it's been converted into DNG. As you see, the rest of the files are in NEF. And now I'm quickly going to show you how you can open it in Photoshop and then edit it as raw file. So we have here the raw file right now, so you can edit it just like you would edit any other raw file from a different version of Photoshop. As you see, we can change the white balance here to different things, and you have the metadata as well, the f-stop, aperture, and the lens it was shot in, and you can tweak the exposure up and down, you can recover the highlights, and basically everything that you can possibly do with normal Photoshop, which can be done using this. So, and once you've done, you can close it and then close it. So So that's the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I hope you can find the answers to your questions from this video if you have older version of Photoshop. Also, if you have any comments again or questions further to ask me regarding anything related to the video or my previous videos, you can definitely ask in the comment section. I will try to answer it as quickly as possible. And yeah, thanks for watching again. See you next time. Ciao.